Hey guys, you should have just finished up your math review for the morning. The problem was Sharon has 98 cookies and some bags. She wants to put 7 cookies in a bag until she runs out of cookies. How many bags of cookies will there be? I really hope that you read that problem 3 times, especially if you didn't know what kind of a problem this is. Reading 3 times and figuring out what information they're giving you and what they're asking you is going to allow you to pick the very best strategy and to figure out the problem. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways you could have possibly solved this problem. If you solved it a different way and you got the right answer, that is okay too. There's more than one way to get this problem done. All right, so one strategy you could have used is a table. I don't know how many bags I have. That's what I'm trying to figure out. So I am gonna leave that blank. But I do know that I'm gonna have 7 cookies in one bag. So here is what that shows. In one bag, I have 7 cookies. And I know that I have a total amount of 98 cookies. So I am going to keep counting by 7 until I get to that total number. I can also double if I want to get to that number faster, but if you're not ready for that, you should definitely not be doing that. So here I have, like I showed you first, I have one bag with 7 cookies. And then 2 bags I know would be 14 cookies because 7 plus 7 is 14. I decided I wanted to double because counting by 7s until I get to 98 might take me a long time. If you didn't do it that way, that's okay. So what I did was I doubled my 2 bags, and I knew, so 2 plus 2 is 4, and then I doubled my 14. So 14 plus 14 is 28. I went ahead and did that again, so I doubled my 4 and got 8 bags, and 28 plus 28 is 56. I am not done yet, so I am going to keep working on this problem. Real quick, I just want to say about this 56, I know that I can't double that 56 again because if I do, I'm going to go over 100, and I know that I only have 98 cookies. All right, so here's my finished work. Like I said, I knew that I couldn't do 56 plus 56 because it would put me over 100, and I know I only had 98 cookies, so I had to go back and start counting by 7s again. So I went to 9 bags, and I ended up with 63 cookies because 56 plus 7 is 63. And then I went to 10 bags, and 63 plus 7 is 70. Then I went to 11 and got 77 cookies. And I kept doing that until I got to 98 cookies. And that shows me that I had to count by 7 14 times. So there is going to be 14 bags of cookies. All right, another strategy you could have used is a number line. And it's the same thing as a table, except you're just laying it out a different way. So I'm going to show you that real quick. Okay, so I went ahead and did a number line. So I just counted by 7s until I got to my total number, which was 98. This is a good strategy for you to use if you aren't ready for doubling because we don't generally do that doubling on a number line. So I went ahead and I counted by 7s, like I said, until I got to 98. And sometimes we forget what we're supposed to do next. So we wanted to figure out how many bags there were going to be, and that she was going to be placing 7 in each bag. So what you should have done to get your answer if you did a number line was count your total number of jumps. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 jumps. So I got the same answer as I did last time. So I'm pretty sure I did this problem right. All right, so I also asked you guys to write the equation out if you could. That was a challenge. And the equation would have been 98 divided by 7 equals what? Okay, and we know that 98 divided by 7 equals 14. So if you got 14, you did an amazing job.